If you are experiencing bald edges, excessive hair breakage, dandruff, stunted hair growth, then this Ayurvedic hairspray is what you need for your hair. And again, let me make it clear. If you don't want a full hair, if you don't want long hair, if you don't want texture hair that you're able to handle, then don't try this Ayurvedic hairspray. Your hair to grow, it will fill up those bald patches and also fight dandruff. My name is Rejoice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Thank you for always stopping by. So if you are interested in growing your hair, in having healthy hair, then this channel is where you need to be. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is absolutely free, okay, so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop videos like this. So yes, in this video we'll be making this Ayurvedic hairspray that is good for your hair, that is good for hair growth. Okay, I'll be making use of these 4 ingredients. The first herb we'll be using is cloves. Now cloves is very important, has a lot of benefits to the hair. Cloves helps to boost hair growth, it strengthens the hair strand, it fights dandruff and itchy scalp, it adds natural shine to the hair, it prevents premature graying, it reduces hair shedding. The next is rosemary. Rosemary also helps to stimulate hair growth. It prevents dandruff, reduces hair shedding, balances the scalp oil. Next is fenugreek. Fenugreek is a powerful natural ingredient that has been used for centuries in hair care. It's rich in proteins, iron, nicotinic acid, lecithin, and plant compounds that make it highly beneficial for healthy hair growth. Now, fenugreek helps to promote hair growth, it prevents hair fall, it thickens the hair, it fights dandruff and itchy scalp. Now, this is why I said if you are not ready to have a bushy, long natural hair, then don't try this hair growth, because it will make your hair super thick and it will grow your hair as well. So I'll also be making use of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a spice that we eat, it's also used in care also, okay, because of its antioxidant and vitamins and antimicrobial properties. Okay, so cinnamon too is also good for the hair. Okay, so all you need is a clean jar or any bottle or any container of your choice. Just make sure it's clean and it has a lid that you can cover it up when you are done. Okay, so I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of the rosemary, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cloves, and I'll be making use of 1 cinnamon stick. Okay, so yes, that is the measurement. I'm using 1 tablespoon each. Now this is immediately after adding hot water to the herbs. You can see how the color is. Okay, so I'll just show you immediately how the color changes after allowing it to sit for 24 hours. Okay, you can see the difference. This is after 24 hours and this is all. It absorbs the nutrients very well. So if you want yours to absorb the nutrients very well, let it sit for a very long time. Okay, so the longer your water sits, the more it absorbs the nutrients from the herbs. Okay, so I'll just strain it and then pour it into my spray bottle. After that, I'll be adding my preservatives because I don't want this to spoil, and I won't be using it all at once. Okay, so I added my preservative. I added 2.5 ml of the preservative, and then I'll cover it and shake it up so that the preservative will dissolve in the hairspray. Okay, so this hairspray can stay for a month without even going bad, or for more than a month without even going bad. Okay, so if you have a refrigerator and you don't have a preservative and you don't want to use a preservative, you can actually be storing it in your fridge and be using it. Okay, so we'll move on to the application, show you how I apply this to my hair. So this is me. This is my 2 weeks old braids. This is my 2 weeks old braid. I've not applied anything to it today, so I'll be using the spray first to spray my hair. Instead of using water, I will just be using this spray because this hairspray is packed with a lot of nutrients that is more beneficial, and it can also helps to grow your hair and make your hair thick and help to prevent hair breakage and also with scalp issue. Okay, so I'm just spraying this to my hair, and I'll be using a leave-in conditioner after spraying this here. Okay, you don't just want to spray your hair and then you leave it like that. It can dry your hair. The cloves in this hairspray can dry your hair and you experience hair breakage. So instead of leaving it just like that, I will apply a leave-in conditioner after spraying this hair spray to my hair. Okay, please don't always spray your hair and leave it like that. Always follow it up with a leave-in conditioner. Okay, I didn't show you the leave-in conditioner because that's not the main reason for this video. The main reason is to just show you how I spray my hair using the hairspray. Okay, so after that I will go on to massage the leave-in conditioner to my hair. Okay, the reason why I'm applying leave-in conditioner is to help moisturize my hair. The hairspray is for hydration and the leave-in conditioner is to moisturize the hair. And then I'll be sealing in all the moisture with my Ayurvedic DIY hair growth oil. If you want to learn how to make this DIY hair growth oil, you can just watch the video, and I drop a tutorial on how to make this Ayurvedic hair growth oil. Okay, so yes, that is that for the application. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please make sure you do that and drop your comments, drop your questions, drop your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this hairspray. Would you be trying this hairspray, or what do you think? Let me just know your experience. If you've had an experience using this hairspray, just let me know. Okay, and just let me know also where you are watching from. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop a new video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.